It has been 8 days since the devotees of Lord Venkateshwara Swami first heard of allegations that the sanctity of the Tirupati Prasadam had been compromised. Since then, the issue has become a political hot potato. We've heard all sorts of arguments in the ensuing blame game, from fakery to conspiracy to vendetta politics. But today, secularism has been added to the mix. Cornered over alleged sacrilege, YSRCP and former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy was all set to leave for Tirumala for what he called a trip to call for forgiveness. Then he decided to call off the trip. Jagan said that he changed his plans because of obstructions created by the ruling party. Sample the reactions.
I read the Bible, but when I go out of the house, I am a Hindu, I am a Muslim, I am also a Sikh.
నువ్వు బైబిల్ చదువుకున్నప్పుడు నువ్వు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తున్నావు. యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు తప్పు లేదు దాంట్లో. ఎందుకు ఇంట్లో రూమ్ అయినంత వరకు బయట కూడా చదువుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ ఎందుకు చర్చికి పోకూడదు? ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ స్ట్రైట్ క్వశ్చన్.
I practice their religion, I respect their religion. I am an Indian. Someone were to ask what my religion is, humanity is my religion.
వై షుడ్ వి హైడ్? ఎందుకు దాచిపెట్టుకోవాలి? నేను లోపల ఏం చదవాలి? యూ కెన్ రీడ్ అవుట్ సైడ్. నాది మానవత్వం అని మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. మానవత్వం ఏంటి? మత సామరస్యాన్ని కాపాడడం మానవత్వం కాదు. మీరేమంటున్నారు? నేను ఎప్పుడో చెప్పాను, పాబ్లో ఎస్కోబార్ అని.
You heard the war of words there. Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi stays on. PR Koma Reddy, national spokesperson of the TDP, is with us. Tehseen Poonawala and Sujata Mahesh, leader of the YSRCP. Sudhanshu ji, ये जो तिरुपति लड्डू कंट्रोवर्सी थी, उसमें पहले एनिमल फैट की बात हुई. उसके बाद लोगों ने कहा देखिए कंस्पिरेसी थियरी है, टारगेट किया जा रहा है, फेक्टरी है. आज जगन मोहन रेड्डी ने कहा कि सेक्युलर हूं मैं और मुझ पे मत सवाल उठाइए, ये सब फेक है, कुछ नहीं हुआ ऐसा. सेक्युलरिज्म कहां से आ गया अब इसमें?
देखिए, द एंटायर प्रॉब्लम इज कंट्री हैज बिकम मोर सीरियस आफ्टर दिस वर्ल्ड सेक्युलरिज्म वॉज एडेड एंड इट इज बीन पोलिटिकली मिसयूज्ड इन ए वेरी डास्टर्डली फैशन. So all these things, just I would like to put forth one thing. जब ये तिरुपति मंदिर दिखाया जाता है तो कहा जाता है इतने लाख करोड़ की संपत्ति है. क्यों ऐसी बात कही जाती है भाई? Does Tirupati has owns that thing? No. Government owns the entire process. So it should be written that government owns this amount of wealth from the temple. उसमें तो प्रोजेक्शन ये दिया जाता है, दिस इज अ सेकुलर थिंग, कि जब बताना होगा तो मंदिर की संपत्ति और है वो उसकी. इसीलिए देखिए, इस देश में बड़ी मजेदार बात है, मौलवियों को सैलरी मिलती है सरकार से, मगर मस्जिद एक भी सरकारी नहीं है. और उसके बाद ये लोग सेकुलरिज्म की जब बात करते हैं तो वन थिंग इज वेरी क्लियर, इंडिया, इफ देयर इज वन सेकुलर आइडियोलॉजी इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड इज देयर विच इज ट्रूली सेकुलर, इट इज हिंदुइज्म एंड नोबडी एल्स. Because it says that if you have faith in this, it's okay. If you have faith in that, it's okay. There is no problem. That's why आप देखेंगे हिंदुइज्म में, आप देवी के मंदिर में जाइए, शंकर जी के मंदिर में जाइए, भगवान के मंदिर में जाइए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप गुरुद्वारे में जाइए, बौद्ध विहार में जाइए, जैन मंदिर में जाइए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. इसलिए आप मजार पे चले जाइए तो भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. इसलिए आप चर्च में चले जाइए तो भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बट इन द अदर सीमेट्रिक रिलीजन, इफ यू गो टू मॉस्क, यू कैन नॉट गो टू चर्च. If you go to church, you should not go to anywhere else. So there is a distinct difference in the semantic thought. But unfortunately, if Jagan Mohan ji is saying that he reads the Bible, then Chandrababu Naidu has said very thing. You come out and open and accept. And if you are having this type of things, so you should have been overcautious rather than we are having a serious doubt that this was not just a slackness. This was not just the ignorance.
This was deliberate.
Not just a negligence. There seems to be a deep-rooted conspiracy which is going on since last several decades, particularly since last 5 decades, since 60s and 70s, against to demean and uproot the Hinduism, which I would like to say in Tamil Nadu, if there is a conference, eradication of Sanatan Dharma. In America, there is a conference dismantling global Hindutva. All are connected. They are not separate.
Okay. Sujata Mahesh, why did the former chief minister cancel his visit? He said the state obstructed my visit.
Namaste. Yes, here we have come up with constitutional, words about secularism and all, right? Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu pointed out here. I just want to ask that, yes, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu born in a Christian family and he reads Bible, and if he come out of his home in the public, he respects all the religions, which is Hinduism, Muslimism, or Buddhism, anything. Same like Chandrababu Naidu, right? I'm just asking that, did ever either Pradhan Mantri ji or Amit Shah ji or Chandrababu Naidu ji given any declaration in either churches or masjids? Because same like, everybody born in some other, any other religion, we practice as our parents what they give for us, right?
Ma'am, the declaration
so
is 1 minute.
Outside, that's what
Miss
we are
Mahesh,
asking.
Sujata ji, the declaration is 1 minute. Ma'am, just 1 minute. The declaration, ma'am, the declaration is required as per the laws of the temple.
Yeah, that's
This
what
is
endowment law. This is
exactly.
the endowment law. That's what I'm saying.
So the people that you mentioned, the names that you've taken, they are not supposed to give a declaration.
Why?
People from, okay, why? Mr. Komar Reddy explained to Sujata Mahesh why Hindus are not required to give a declaration.
Pranesh, good evening. See, the reason why Jagan Reddy cancelled his trip to Tirumala is very simple. We all know that any person who is following a religion other than Hinduism is supposed to sign a small declaration in which he has to state that he has faith and reverence towards Lord Venkateswara. So after signing that simple declaration, he will be permitted to have a darshan of Lord Balaji. This applies to only people who are non-Hindus. People who are following Christianity or Islam or any other religion, they are supposed to sign this declaration. Even Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, when he was the president of this country, when he visited Tirumala, he had signed this declaration. Leaders like Farooq Abdullah, they have signed this declaration. So this is a role in TTD and it is followed by everyone. And today, Jagan Reddy defies this. He says, why should I? Being an Indian...
Sujata Mahesh is trying to show us something. Miss Mahesh, what are you trying to...
The Bible. He is reading the Bible here. Did he ever given the declaration in the church? That's what we are asking. Did he ever given the declaration in the church? He is reading the Bible here. Did he ever given any declaration in the church?
Islam.
That's what we are asking.
Reads Quran.
So there is no other leaders who are giving the declaration.
Miss Mahesh, I think, ma'am, 1 minute. Miss Mahesh, I think you're confusing issues, ma'am. Either you're confused yourself or you've not understood what we are talking about. Ma'am, if a church requires him to give a declaration, only then will the person give declaration.
See,
Which church, 1 minute. Miss Mahesh, which church did he go to? Which church are you talking about? Is there a rule that a person who comes who's a non-Christian has to declare? Then what are you talking about?
See, what I'm asking is, as per the endowment law, which you are asking, the endowment law has to give the law shows that the declaration has to give by the Jagan Mohan Reddy. That's what
So,
we are
ma'am, are
asking.
you conceding that is the reason why Jagan Mohan Reddy did not go to the temple? Is that the reason? Then you are admitting he did not want to declare. Then Mr. Komar Reddy is right that for the fear of declaring, Jagan Mohan did not go there. Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
I think Sujata ji is trying to divert the issue. But one thing is very clear. If he is asking about the church, madam, can you tell me that there the situation is different? Roman Catholic Church is different. The Protestant church is different. Eastern Orthodox Church is different. Syrian is different. Seventh-day Adventist is different. And even they don't allow each other to go. The Roman Catholic can go in the Roman Catholic Church in the same manner. Shia की मस्जिद में जाएगा, सुन्नी की मस्जिद अलग है, अहले हदीस की मस्जिद अलग है, अहमदिया की मस्जिद अलग है. Even they are not allowed to go in their mutual. There are signboards. Ma'am, so it is not in here. So you are unnecessarily confusing. But the political point which TDP spokesperson has said, I think Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy would have thought कि अगर आप उस religion को strictly follow करते हैं Semitic religions में, तो you cannot say that I am having respect to others because they are having only the concept of tolerance. They cannot have mutual respect.
Okay.
With due respect to all the religion, I would like to say, in all Semitic religion, you can have faith in only one God. Only one messenger, no other. So there is a fear of being isolated in his own community also.
Okay, that the fear of being isolated has ensured that Jagan Mohan Reddy cancelled his visit to the Tirumala temple. I thank all of you for joining us. We've run out of time. Mr. Kumar Reddy, I'm extremely sorry. Tehseen, sorry couldn't come to you. I thank all of you for joining us on India Front. The news are on the other side.